ASTHANA'S of the Wondertainment Zone. Hi guys, this is Milka and you're watching the episode 5 of Hub Tech Talk Season 1. So welcome back to Hub, the Wondertainment Zone. So basically today's Tech Talk topic is that what are the three types of futuristic laptops with new age designs? Yeah, you heard me right. I'm talking about the three new age designed futuristic laptops, which are dual screen type laptop, rollable and extendable display type laptop, and keyboard and display detachable laptop, which is laptop cum tablet. So today I'm gonna talk about all these three types of new age designs which are making a boom in the laptop industry, and this is the future of laptops. So without further ado, let's just dive into this future of laptops with me and Kojima only on Hub, the Wondertainment Zone. So let's do this. So here, before starting the main video itself, I would like to show you guys the all three new age designs of the futuristic laptops which are going to become boom in the laptop industry in 2024. So these are the future of laptops. At my extreme left, I have a dual screen laptop which is the Lenovo YogaBook 9i. Here in this picture I have shown the Lenovo YogaBook 9i, but even Asus, which has launched its ZenBook Fold 15 OLED, and HP Spectre Fold 13 in 1, they have also landed in the same market of dual screen laptops, and these are the dual screen laptops by these two both other brands, but here this is the Lenovo YogaBook 9i. Once more, a dual screen laptop only at my extreme left. And in the middle, we have Lenovo's concept rollable and extendable display laptop, which is first of its kind for Lenovo and for the world itself at one. Then at my extreme right, we have a detachable screen laptop where the screen detaches from the keyboard itself, and this is the Lenovo IdeaPad 3. So all these three work on Windows OS and are made by the same manufacturer, which is Lenovo. Smarter technology for all, as it claims it has proved with all these three futuristic designs in the laptop industry. So with this, now let's just begin the main video itself. Starting with number one, we have that a very basic kind of question many of you people ask, that as so many new age designs have come in the laptop industry and traditional laptops are also there, so which one should we buy? Which one? That's a very big question. So I would say traditional laptops, like I also have a traditional laptop only, my Inspiron, which has a keyboard and display, but actually it's not very much traditional because it's a convertible laptop. Sorry for that, it's a convertible laptop, but these are not a new age design. Convertible laptops are coming from past 5 to 6 years, so it's not a new age design, but yes, it's still not a traditional. It's a thing between traditional and new age design laptops. The convertible laptop, it has a touch screen, so it's not fully old school, mid old school, mid new school, you can say that. So that's it. So basically the dual screen laptops is a like a very amazing kind of product where you just get two screens. Yeah, you heard me right, two touch displays, full OLED screens, and no keyboard. You would think it's not a laptop, but it is one, because with that you get a Bluetooth keyboard plus mouse attachment which you can place on one of the screens, and then that becomes a physical keyboard and trackpad, and then one screen which for the laptop. Or if you don't want it like that, you can use both the screens and put the keyboard away from it, which is because it's a Bluetooth keyboard. Yeah, you heard me right. By Bluetooth keyboard I mean to say a keyboard which is not physically attached to the product itself, but it is different from the product and can be attached wirelessly and magnetically to the product and works with Bluetooth connection. Like this is a Bluetooth keyboard which I bought for my iPad mini 6, from which only I am recording this video. So these here you can see in this keyboard also that here's a trackpad, here's the keyboard, keys itself, and this attachment on a bigger scale for the laptops can be used. It's a Bluetooth keyboard which will connect to the dual screen laptop on the lower part of the screen, or the second screen, which is the lower screen, and that makes it a traditional laptop. But if you remove it, you see the future of laptops there only. Yes. And yes, so basically these kinds of laptops are made for people, for made by companies targeting those sector of people who want a professional laptop for professional purposes, where the machine can increase their productivity. This thing can do, because you can surf net on one, do something other on the other one. Like suppose I would give you an example of a YouTuber. Suppose you have a gaming YouTube channel. You are doing your live stream from one screen and reading the comments from the other screen. You don't need any other device to read the comments at the same time, but you can do the live stream of the game and also read the comments at the same time simultaneously with a dual screen laptop. That's how it increases your productivity. If you take an example of a product designer or a graphics developer, game developer, there also you can do two things at the same time. It increases your productivity, for sure. So that's a good thing about dual screen laptops now in the market. Like all these three kinds of laptops, the dual screen laptops, the rollable and extendable display laptops, and last but not least, the detachable keyboard and display laptops. All these three are coming in the Windows OS only, and not in any other kind of OS. Not either in Ubuntu, not Linux, not Mac OS, nor Chrome OS. It just comes in Windows OS by Microsoft. So I was saying that nowadays very good kind of dual screen laptops are coming in the market by different brands like Lenovo, which has launched its Yugabook 9i, ASUS, which has launched its ZenBook 15 Fold OLED, and also HP, which has launched its Spectre 3-in-1. So basically these dual screen laptops are also referred to as 3-in-1s because you can use them as a big tablet or a laptop, or even as a television, because two laptop screens of 14 or 15 inches, if you just open them up, you have twice the display, which is like a small monitor itself. So you can use them as a desktop by opening the kickstand and placing the screen, open the monitor, the keyboard and the mouse also, and you have a AIO kind of PC. So that's why you can, number one, use it as a desktop, number two, you can use it as a laptop for sure, and number three, you can use it as a tablet also. By the way, it's too big for a tablet, but yes, companies say that it can be used as a tablet, but that's just purely impractical because no one uses such big tablets. Even people have issues with the iPad Pro and the Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 Plus and Ultra because they are too much big. That how could just companies think that people would use so big displays as tablets? That's truly impractical. The third point, that they can't be used as a tablet, not at all. Practically, no. But two things can be used as practical, that you can make a AIO with one of these 3-in-1 dual screen laptops by opening the screen, opening the kickstand, using the mouse and the keyboard, and here you go, you have a portable PC with you. And number two, you can for sure use it as a laptop, and that's true, very true, that they can increase your productivity, as I've already told you. The third part, which is using it as a tab, is totally impractical, saying it for the third time. Now moving on from the dual screen, we have a laptop known as the rollable and extendable display laptop. So this laptop right now is not not launched in the market, but very soon Lenovo for the first time will launch the world's first rollable and extendable display laptop. How about this only? I talked about this only in what tech can we expect in 2024, the first episode of this TechTalks season 1. I have told you about this there also. The Lenovo is planning to launch a rollable and extendable display laptop. Now this is gonna be really amazing, because here the display could just extend, come out, and that once again makes more space, more displays, you can do more things at the same time simultaneously, and hence why it increases your productivity in whatever field, be it you are a gamer, graphic designer, product designer, or any other IT person. It increases your productivity for sure, because you have more screens to work simultaneously at the same time. You can do more amount of work at the same time. Hence, it once again increases your productivity. Because there's no demo of this, because it's not even out in the market, so I can't just give you the feel that how it looks like, because I have not just tested out one of them. Yeah, I have tested out one of these dual screen laptops, but so I can surely tell you that they are really good, because I have done a practical test with them. But as this rollable and extendable display laptop is not still out in the market, I have not tested it out, so I can't just tell you how practically useful this machine is. Now coming to the third, yeah, you heard me right, third kind of laptop, which is yet once again a Windows laptop only, as I've told you. This one is the display and the keyboard detachable kind of laptop. Now that's really amazing, you see, and it's really amazing. Now this kind of laptop, the only two brands are making this at the same at this time, and both are Windows brands only. One is Microsoft itself, which has launched its Surface and Surface Go laptop series, which are tablet come laptops where the keyboard can detach from the display itself and you can use it as a tablet, but then also it's too big for a tablet, so purely impractical. At the same time, following Surface, taking inspiration from MS only, Dell, which is once more a Windows manufacturer only, they have launched their XPS 13 Plus. And the 13 Plus XPS, Extreme Performance System, it's a very elegant, very elite kind of laptop, and is, I would say, better than the Surface and Surface Go laptop. And this one once more is a detachable keyboard and display laptop. Here also you can detach the keyboard come mouse, that one piece from the display, that one module, and you can use it as a tab, or you can connect it to the display and you can use it as a laptop. By the way, I'm doing the same thing with my iPad mini also right now. Like, you can use it as a tab because it is actually a tab only, but you can use it as a laptop also at the same time, with the help of the keyboard folio, which I show you right now only in the previous few minutes of this video. I had shown you a Bluetooth keyboard that was for my iPad mini only. Previously only I have shown you this thing. So by connecting it to the folio case of my iPad, I can use it as a laptop also, but normally it's a iPad, a tablet only. So you see, Apple is also trying to like come into this market, that they are trying to like make their iPads like a laptop. Yeah, you heard me right. iPads like a laptop. By this I mean to say, you see, iPad Pro, iPad Air, and normal iPads, they all have the magic keyboard folios. By attaching to them, you can make your iPad, which is a tablet, a laptop, which can increase your productivity for sure. So in that market, Apple with their iPad OS installed iPads is landing into this market of keyboard and laptop, keyboard and display detachable kind of machine, which is laptop from tablet. Apple is also making them for iPads with the Magic Keyboard Folio, which is tablet and the laptop at the same time. So I was sorry for that, because this third type of laptop where the touch screen or display can detach from the keyboard and trackpad itself, this kind of laptop is being made by by both Microsoft and Apple at the same time, where these kind of laptops come in both Windows and iPadOS at the same time. So that's the third kind of laptop I told you already. But by the way, MacBooks are not coming in this way. So you have, if you want a tablet come laptop from Apple, which Apple calls tablet computer, you can buy iPad with a Magic Keyboard Folio. Then that way solve your problem. If you want iPadOS machine with the tablet computer machine working on iPadOS, you can go for iPad with Magic Keyboard Folio. But if you're going for iPad, I should tell you that though Apple is not making official cases for the iPad Mini 6, but yeah, many third-party cases are coming for the iPad Mini 6, which makes the tablet like a laptop only. As I have already also bought a iPad Mini 6, as you know, I am recording the video from it only. I had a problem that no Magic Keyboard Folio was officially being launched for the iPad Mini 6 to make this tablet a computer, a laptop, a PC. So forcefully, I had to just buy a third-party kind of Bluetooth keyboard for it, which is not as good as a Magic Keyboard Folio, but yeah, it solves my purpose, and that's, I can say for sure, it's good. It's really good. I bought it from Amazon.in, the marketplace for customers only, and yeah, it was really amazing, this product. And the thing is that for iPad Mini 6, if you want, then also you can buy a Magic Keyboard Folio, which is not an official one but a third-party product. But for the iPad 10, iPad Air and iPad Pro series, Apple itself is launching its official Magic Keyboard Folios, but I would say don't buy them because Apple is a Ludo company. They just charge too much for those basic things. I was just shocked to see that the Magic Keyboard Folio, which Apple's officially launched for the normal, Air and the Pro series of iPads, it's costing like about 20k to 30k. That's like, what shit? So much money? Would you just pay that much money for a Magic Keyboard Folio? What nonsense. Apple just making people mad. They're charging more money than what the products is really worth, and that's a very bad thing for Apple. At the same time, Microsoft Surface laptops are not, like, if Apple is expensive, then Surface is not even very cheap. They are also like over budget products. I would even say that Surface products by Microsoft are even more expensive than MacBooks. Like, if you, like, people say that Apple is expensive, the Surface is neither very cheap, it's also very expensive. Even at some places it's more expensive than the Apple products. So at the same time, I would say that please, to Microsoft and Apple, please don't make people mad and don't charge money more than what your product is worth from them, because this is a madness. And just people go and buy this product because of their elegance, their fame, and because Apple products and even Surface products are considered a luxury. That's only people just pay this much money for them, but in reality they are not just worth that much money, not at all. So I was saying this only, and I would say that these were all the kinds of laptops. You see, the tablet laptop, this kind of machine, which has a detachable keyboard uh, system. It's being made by both Apple for their iPads with Magic Keyboard Folio, and by Surface, Microsoft Surface, for the Surface and Surface Go series, and also by Dell for their XPS 13 Plus, which is once more a tablet laptop computer only. So 3 brands are at the same time making this. 2, which is Dell and Microsoft for the Windows OS, and Apple, of course, for the iPad OS. So here you see, here there's a bit competition in this third kind of tablet computer segment, where the keyboard and the screen are detachable. Here there's competition between 2 different kinds of OS itself, and 3 brands are doing the competition it. Whereas if you see in the dual screen laptops, 3 brands also are like competing with each other, but they are all running on the Windows OS. So at least OS is one. Here there are even 2 OSs or operating systems themselves. And the middle type, which is our rollable extendable type, there are only one brand is making such a laptop, and that too for Windows OS only, and the brand is Lenovo. Smarter technology for all, as they say, they do and prove it, because this is there also. There's This is the world's first rollable extendable display laptop, which is made by Lenovo, and not just by Lenovo, but it's not just first for Lenovo, but it's just first of its kind, world's first laptop of this kind. So Lenovo is, I would say, an inventor now. It's becoming inventor. Let's see when it comes out. I will give you a practical demo about it, and will share my experiences with you guys, and whether this laptop, which has a rollable extendable display, is that really worth it, and whether it is really productive or not, whether it increases your productivity more than a dual screen laptop or not. I will tell you about it, and whether it is flimsy or not, because the screen which will come out, it would be a rollable screen. That's only, it would be made of some fabric kind of material, so might be it can I am not just saying that this will be for sure possible, but there is a possibility that it might get torn. Of course, it will be some kind of fabric or something. Now let's see how Lenovo will deal from this problem. Let's see. So these were the three kinds of new age designed futuristic laptops which are gonna come in the market in 2024, this year only, in the upcoming months of 2024. And these were all of them: the dual screen laptops, the rollable extendable display laptops, and last but not the least, the most amazing of them, tablet computer, which has a keyboard and the screen board detachable kind of laptops. So these are the three kinds of laptops at a glance, and I hope this video really just solved your doubts and problems about this all, because many of you guys were confused about this, that which kind of new age laptop should we go for, or should we go for traditional laptops. So I hope I have solved this problem of yours. If really, then please do click on like, subscribe, share this video with your friends. And this is Dollurix signing off, and you're watching Hub Tech Talk Season 1 Episode 5. So I will meet you in the next one. Till then, bye bye. And stay entertained, stay cool. And of course, as I've said, I will meet you in the next one. Till then, adios. Download the Software Hub app today.